Okay, here I'm working on a 2009 Mercedes-Benz C350 intake manifold. The flap was broken. Had to get a replacement part. But in reinstalling one of the gaskets, I used the original gaskets, which is a terrible idea because they're so worn and used. You have to replace a new gasket. I'm gonna show you what the old gasket looks like. Yeah, first time mechanic. I know. So I put it back on with the gasket all like that, and it caused multiple misfires. So took it back off, got some new gaskets, and I wanted to say good job to Mercedes, man. These valves are pretty clean. 200,000 miles on the dash, and these valves have no carbon buildup. Running a little bit of dirt from falling through, but I vacuumed a majority of it out. Like I said, I'm a first time mechanic, so now I just gotta make sure there's no spacing whatsoever that'll leak some air. But I bought spark plugs, switched the coils, trying to figure out where the misfire was coming from, and so behold, sprayed this B12 onto the manifold, and I can see it leaking all right here. Same cylinders the codes were coming from. So if you ever having an issue on an intake manifold and you're wondering why you're getting misfires after you reinstall it, it's because of either the gasket or you got some type of, majority of the time it's going to be the gasket, but if not, you're going to have some type of debris or something momentarily misfiring it, because it would have to burn the debris off. But yeah, it's not too hard of a job. First time it was difficult. Second time it took about 5 minutes to get it all off. I just couldn't get this alternator clip off. I mean the manifold electrical clip off.
Yeah.
It's stuck on there for some reason, but it still works, so I'll leave it. I just don't want to put too much tension on it and end up messing it up. But yeah, it's gotten pretty dirty from an oil spill or something. I might just use this chem tool and B12 and spray it all on here just to make it look good. But I don't want to come in contact with any of these wires, so that's why I don't want to power wash it. Cause a fault, short in the alternator, trying to clean it up good, that's a no-no. But maybe I'll update some videos after. Well, 2009 C350 manifold flap actuator replacement. Make sure you get some gaskets, some new gaskets. Don't just get the flap, get some gaskets. Please do, or you'll have misfires because the old gasket isn't good enough.